Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Hannah and she was in today for her redesign. So we removed her previous set with my broken Cyan K35. Well, it's not broken. The box itself isn't broken. The handpiece is broken. So it keeps, like, if I hold it in certain positions, it just turns off. So I need to get a new one today. But I'm really, I don't want to pay £80 for it. It's £80 for the handpiece, and I'm just like absolutely fuming about it. But I know I've got her, so I'm going to do it today. So yeah, we removed her previous set. She had her thumb. She caught it in the drawer, so it was clean off. So we just put a tip on that and applied our base. And here we are. So we're using my size 10 Tracy Lou brush. And we're applying, I think this is hot ember. I'd never know if I'm saying that right. So it's a full now of that to her baby finger here. Hannah seems to have the same sort of sets, just switched up the colours. That's literally all we do. And we'll sit there, we'll pick the colours and we'll sit there and we literally decide on each now. So while I'm doing this one, I'm saying, right, so what should we do on the ring finger, blah blah blah. She pretty much always has ombre, so that's always in there. So yeah, I'm capping as I'm going, trying to just keep it like that. I just find it easier actually when I know it's done. I don't have to go back and do the whole capping again because that is quite annoying. So this one is an ombre and we're using, I was going to say Blue Lagoon, but I don't think it's called Blue Lagoon. I think it's just called Lagoon. Or it might even be St. Lucia. Oh my God, I've been telling everyone it's Lagoon and I know it's St. Lucia now because it's a little bit more lighter. Well, I think it's called St. Lucia, unless I'm saying that wrong as well. God, who comes up with these names? Because people like me don't know how to pronounce them. So yeah, we're going to do obviously a 2-colour ombre with the red and the blue here. As I was doing them, I was like, what does this remind me of? Is it like a football team? And I was like, no, it reminds me of Scotland. And I don't know why it reminds me of Scotland, but I kept saying this reminds me of Scotland or some. I was thinking maybe West Ham, but then they have blue rather than green, so I don't know what I was thinking. So yeah, I'm just going to leave you to watch me do this because I'm chatting. So these two colours kind of blended pretty easy. They were both, as much as they're pigmented, they're both quite sheer as well, which is weird. Because, yeah, it's a weird thing to say, but they were quite sheer as you faded them out, you know? If that makes any sense. But it was harder on a vertical ombre, obviously. And she originally wanted, she was like, oh, I want a marble. And she wanted the marble on this one. And I was just like, Hannah, I cannot do it. I just cannot do it. Not that I didn't think it would, not that I thought it would be hard to marble, but I just couldn't do it to this set. So I was like, let's do a vertical ombre instead. I didn't want to have ombre on the ring finger and ombre on the pointer and then a marble in the middle. I couldn't bring myself to do it. So I said, let's do this instead. And we had no glitter as well. So it needed no marble. I'm sorry. So yeah, this was a little bit trickier than the OG ombre, but it always looks great. So this one is just the same as the ring finger, and the thumb is the same as the baby. So I'm going to leave you to watch in silence. I nearly forgot to press record because it was just such a stressful experience with with the old handpiece. So yeah, we're just top coating in Premier Gel's Top Glass, and then we applied some cuticle oil and we are done. So I really hope you like this set. I loved how they turn out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.